The next issue I want to address tonight is the reason why this cover is off on the tailgate and the reason why the handle's missing, so I got to open it by the actual, whatever you call them. By the actual, whatever you call them. As usual with this truck, awesome buy. Every piece was included. The handle was here. I found some bolts that match the thread. I don't think they're the original ones, but they match. But basically, you can see if you look up close here, the handle mechanism, after looking at it for a couple minutes, I was able to figure out what was wrong. This lever attached to the spring here, it mirrors on either side, but this side's just broken. It broke right off. So if you look down to the bottom, over here there's a broken off piece of metal, and then up here that's still attached to the spring, there's a broken off piece right there. So I'm just gonna weld them back together. There's 2 bolts. I'll probably take it off of the spring, but then take these 2 bolts out, and I'm gonna make a brace, drill a hole in it so the bolt will still go back in, and then weld it back together. And then I'm assuming it'll bolt right back up into here and then work. I did find geez, I cannot think of the word for these things, but the metal rod that's supposed to go right through here, and it still has the metal clip on it to hold the rod. So, beautiful. I'll just get into that and I'll weld it. Here is the finished product. I didn't end up putting a brace on it. Yeah, right down in there. I welded it on both sides. It got through. So, seems hot enough. I pulled on it. Seems good to me. I am just gonna stick this back in here. First I have to put it together. Well, I guess that's right. Now I gotta consult the pictures that I took beforehand. Alright. This one I might need to file it. Now I gotta figure out how that goes. I guess something like that. I'm gonna work on this for a bit. You left me